8 amazing technology facts that will astonish you. Are you ready to look at these? Let's jump onto the PC. 8 technology secrets that will astonish you. Number 1, 941. Every time you have seen an Apple advertisement or you have gone to their website, like these photos are from their website, you'll actually see 941 written or 941 written. Why is the time always the same in every advertisement or every photo? Do you know? This is because Steve Jobs actually introduced the first iPhone at 9:41 back in 2007. So 9:41 is a good time for them as he introduced the first iPhone. Number 2, typewriter. Now, typewriter is the longest word you can actually type. You can actually type in one line of a QWERTYU keyboard. It's the longest word that requires only the top line. Let's have a look. See? It only requires the top line to type this longest word, typewriter. Number 3, why is Facebook or Meta color blue? Every time if you go to Facebook or Meta, now they've changed their name to Meta, their interface is mostly blue, right? There's no other color in it. Why? Did you know that Mark Zuckerberg, the founder and CEO, the CEO of Facebook and Meta, I mean they both are the same right now, is blue-green colorblind? Mark Zuckerberg is, red-green colorblind. So Mark Zuckerberg is red-green colorblind? Did you know that? That's why he can see blue color the best. That is why their interface is always blue color. Number 4, Google or Google. The actual spelling of Google nowadays is Google. This spelling was actually created accidentally. The actual spelling of Google was Googol, but they wanted to make it easier, or Google seemed easier, so they changed it to Google. And in fact, Googol means 1 followed by 100 zeros, or 1 into 10 to the power of 100. So that is what 1 Google means. Number 5, 6,000 viruses are released every month. Do you know that? 6,000 viruses, that is computer viruses, are released every month, right? That means in 2 months we'd had 12,000 viruses. In 3 months we'll have 18,000 viruses, and so on. Number 6, the QWERTY keyboard. This, do you know why in a computer keyboard the layout is QWERTYUIOP, and then next line is ASDFGHJKL, and the next line is ZXCGBNM. This is because earlier typewriters used to have A, B, C, D in a line, and people used to type very fast. And due to his typing very fast, the keys used to get jammed. That is why they've come up with this method where the most commonly used letters are placed far away from each other. That is why QWERTYUIOP, ASDFGHJKL, ZXCBNM. So to make it harder, to make us slow down the typing, they have kept it like this. Number 7, HP could have actually been PH. Hewlett Packard. HP's name could have actually been pH. So when they started this company, Bill Hewlett and David Packard actually did not know whose name should come first. So what they did is they just flipped a coin, and in whosever favor the coin fell in, their name would come first, and it fell in Mr. Hewlett's favor, so his name is first. So HP, that's Hewlett Packard. And the final secret or fact for the day is not a technology fact, and is a science fact. So it's not technology but science. Let's see. For science lovers, this is going to be a great one. You know that we are living in the past right now? Did you know that? Even when I saw this first, I was like, what? This is because the brain takes 80 milliseconds to actually understand the stimuli. That is why we are responding late to the environment. So we are responding 80 milliseconds late to the environment. That makes us live in the past. Isn't that astonishing? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this thumbs up. If you want any more content like this, subscribe. A lot more content is on the way. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you then.